Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your HDFC card. First, let's get your card ready. You can easily activate your new HDFC bank card using net banking, the mobile app, or any HDFC Bank ATM. After activation, remember to set a secure 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN. Your first transaction, whether at an ATM or a store, will fully enable your card for all future uses. Now let's talk about making purchases. For online shopping, simply enter your card number, expiry date, and the 3-digit CVV code found on the back. When shopping in stores, you can swipe, dip, or tap your card at the payment terminal. For even faster transactions, many terminals support contactless payment. Just tap your card and you are good to go, often for amounts up to 5,000 rupees without a PIN. Managing your card is simple with HDFC Bank's digital tools. You can easily access your monthly statements and review your transaction history through net banking or the HDFC Bank mobile app. Paying your credit card bills is also convenient online, with several payment options available. Furthermore, you can set daily spending limits and manage international usage directly from your account for better security and control over your finances. Finally, let's discuss card security and support. If your card is ever lost or stolen, report it immediately through net banking, the mobile app, or by calling customer care to prevent unauthorized use. Always protect your card details. Never share your PIN, CVV, or one-time password with anyone, even if they claim to be from the bank. For any questions or assistance, HDFC Bank's customer service is always ready to help you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.